every doorway. Everything is frozen, burning just the same. Oh, so heavy. Now I thought we were past all the lies. They would cover our eyes with darkened mirrors, paint our skin with colored lines. Now I thought we were past the time when injustice was the leader, liberty the last.
Mm-hmm.